Well, that joystick went for a bath, but we're about to get some good old IPA and start cleaning this motherboard and the contacts on these buttons for sure. This is where the joystick was. Get all that crap off of it so we can get some good responses. I just like to go to town on everything, man. Why not? Just clean the board, you know? Especially clean these little contact points. You can see them right here. I guess it's a little easier if you see them on... There we go. You see how they're reflective?